Hearing a squeak every time you hit a bump after winter, that's one of the most common spring suspension problems. After snow, salt, and cold temperatures, your suspension dries out and wears, and now those squeaks start showing up. Here are the signs and symptoms to help you figure out exactly what's causing it. Sign 1. If you hear squeaks over small bumps, your bushings may be dry. Why it happens: winter salt washes out lubrication and dries rubber bushings. Simple fix: lubricate or replace worn bushings. Sign 2. If it squeaks when turning or bouncing, sway bar bushings may be worn. Why it happens: temperature changes dry out the rubber and cause friction. Simple fix: replace or lubricate sway bar bushings. Sign 3. If the squeak is sharp and from the front, ball joints may be dry. Why it happens: salt and water wash out grease from ball joints. Simple fix: replace worn ball joints. Sign 4. If it squeaks after larger bumps, your shock mounts may be worn. Why it happens: winter impacts wear out rubber mounts. Simple fix: replace worn shock mounts. Sign 5. If the sound comes from the rear bushings may be dry or worn. Why it happens: salt and moisture damage rubber over time. Simple fix: inspect and replace rear suspension bushings. Sign 6. If it squeaks more in the morning, rubber components are stiff. Why it happens: cold temperatures harden rubber, increasing friction. Simple fix: monitor or replace worn components. Sign 7. If the squeak disappears after driving, parts are warming up. Why it happens: heat softens rubber and reduces friction temporarily. Simple fix: inspect parts before wear worsens. Sign 8. If you hear multiple squeaks, several components may be worn. Why it happens: winter damage affects multiple suspension parts at once. Simple fix: inspect full suspension system. Sign 9. If the squeak gets louder, the wear is increasing. Why it happens: dry components degrade and create more friction. Simple fix: replace worn parts early. Most spring squeaks come from dry or worn suspension parts. Fix those early and your ride stays quiet. Squeaks might seem small, but they're early warning signs. Fix them now before they turn into bigger suspension problems. Drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more signs and symptoms to help keep your car running smoothly, and I'll see you next time.